Are you a couch potato, an explorer, or a Hall of Famer? Dive into the world of lists, climb the ranks, and proudly display your badges. Your journey to conquer 193 countries and more begins now. MTP is the perfect travel partner for the most traveled people. This travel app offers a wide range of features to help you check into your destinations and track all of your worldly adventures. From the highest summit to the deepest sea, MTP remembers the details so you won't have to. It helps you navigate your destination by offering important information such as currency, transportation, and where to find the hotspots and nearby attractions such as UNESCO World Heritage Sites, incredible restaurants, and the most beautiful beaches. You'll find global rankings for a variety of lists, like UN-recognized countries. To see how you compare with other travelers, just search the rankings and filter by gender, age, and nationality. In a few taps, you'll discover the identity of the most traveled person in your country. You can even share your ranking with friends. MTP has built an incredible community of travel enthusiasts where you can connect with other travelers. Who knows? You may even meet your ideal travel companion. So, join our community and go from tourist to traveler.